Hey everyone, it's Bitcoin Brian here with Bitcoin Fam. And today I'm going to do a video on Clover Finance and where I think the price is heading this bull market. So if you could hit the subscribe button, bell notification, leave a comment. All of that will really help us out. Thanks and enjoy the video. So before I get started with today's video, I have to put out the disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. It's just my opinions and views and just sharing what I'm doing with cryptocurrency. So anyway, let's get right into the video of Clover Finance. I've held this for quite some time, since the pretty much almost the peak of the bull market in 2021. It came out in 2021. So not the best time for it to come out, and it came out and it all-time high was around $1.88, somewhere in there, and then it just went down like everything else during the bear market. So anyway, but I held on to it, and I actually have bought more, dollar cost average, get my average cost per token down. So I'm actually looking pretty good, and I really believe in this one. I really think it's going to go make some huge gains here in this bull market. You can see there's cross-chain compatibility with it, the ideal wallet, and you can see almost 1 million Clover wallets created. They're partnered with Forbes, articles in Cointelegraph, CoinDesk, Yahoo Finance. They've all, backed them. Ideal wallet for the cross-chain compatibility. There's over almost 400 reviews, 5-star reviews. Goes ahead and works with decentralized finance in the palm of your hand. You can download it with the App Store or Google Play. One portal for all services. So they're doing some great things here. So definitely got a strong product behind their token. But we'll get right into the token, because that's what everybody wants to know. How are we going to make money with this thing? So I'm all about, investing and trading in cryptos. And you can see, let's get some data on Clover Finance. It's currently ranked 615. So I would call this a micro cap. So you can see its trading range in the last 24 hours from just under 7 cents to just under 8 cents. Right now in the 24-hour, it's up over 7%. So it's having a good day. You can see market cap 63 million, fully diluted market cap 78 million. There's 1 billion tokens. Most of them are already out, over 800 million tokens in circulation. That's a good thing. So, excuse me. Also, we'll go down here and we can see all-time high is $1.88. All-time low was back in October at just under 3 cents. I bought some shortly after that, just above 3 cents, to help my dollar cost averaging, because I did buy some of this at the beginning around $1. So anyway, but I got my cost way down. So I'm looking pretty good. So anyway, full disclosure, as I'm talking, I have a big bag of this myself. It's a micro cap. So we'll do some numbers, right? So let's see if this thing 10x. I think it's going to do more than that. So actually, first thing we'll do is, it was $1.88, and that was the all-time high according to CoinGecko, and we'll divide that by this current price of 0.7866, and what do we get? So we're just going to call it a 24x. So if it hits its all-time high, that's going to be a 24x. I think it's going to do that, at least a 24x. So we got to look at, can it support it? So if we take that $1.88, again, let's see what the market cap would be if it would support it. I mean, there's a couple of ways we can do it, but we'll do it this way. If we go ahead and take the current market cap of 63,227,588, and we'll times that by 24x. That would give us a market cap of 1.5 billion. I really think this coin could get to that 1.5 billion easily, because like I was saying before, I mean, right now there's over 100 projects, 100 cryptos that are worth over $1 billion market cap. So in the last bull market, I think we got that up to like 140 of them. I think that's going to triple. I really think there's going to be 300 cryptocurrencies out there that are going to have $1 billion market cap or higher in this next peak of the bull market. So I really think that could support it. So that would be a 24x, and just let's call it the next 15 months, So I think it's going to go places. Do I think a 10x is possible? 100%, because 24x is, of course. So, but even a 10x, I would put it at 630 million. That's going to happen all day long. And you can look at the chart here. Thing has been moving. You can see over the last, get ruler here, over the last, we'll just go right from here. So since February 8th, that thing is peaked out at 68% move in the last 24 days. That's a nice move, So I think this move is going to probably continue. It's probably going to go ahead and try to test this high over here, which, is probably around 9 cents. So I think that's a possibility. But you can see it's had this up and then a little consolidation and up again. So we got to wait and see what happens here. But I think might get a little bit of a consolidation, but I really think it's going to push this price here. So probably around 10 cents. I'm going to go to the weekly chart just so we can get a long-term view of it. Right. So you see this price right here. Yeah, probably 9 cents. But what happens is once it breaks out, you can see the 20-day moving average has already turned and started going up. You can see this 50-day moving average, to me, is bottoming out. It's going to start turning up, and we're going to get a cross somewhere in here, the 20 over the 50. So I definitely think this 9-10 cents is definitely in play. We are going to have to probably, retest some levels here, probably after we break above that. Probably this, 8.5, 9 cents level will get tested. But as we look at this, to me, once we break above this, just let's call it 14, 15 cents. Once we break above that, this thing could just skyrocket. Because look how fast that fell. There's not much in the way to stop it. And I think the market can support, a $1 billion clover market cap, even 1.5. I think this is definitely going to get back to its all-time high. So here we are, we're probably at like 40 cents or so, right? So, yeah. So I think this price could get hit pretty quickly. Yeah, 47 cents. So, and it's, that's a 6x anyway. So I really think that's going to happen. I believe in this coin. So I think in this cycle, this bull market, we're going to see this coin hit its all-time high of $1.88, 24x all day long. Every $1,000 would be 24,000. Every 100 would be 2,400. So anyway, this is my quick take on Clover Finance. I had to share it because really, like I said, in the last 24 days, we've had almost a 70% jump. This thing is starting to move. I think we just poked the bear and we just woke up the bear at springtime, and it's coming out of hibernation, and it's going to be hungry. So it's going to eat all this up and get right to the all-time high. That's my take on Clover Finance for today. I like the coin, and I really think this is going to have a 24x or higher in this bull market. So I hope you enjoyed the video and have a great day. And if you could, hit the bell notification, like, subscribe, leave a comment. All of that will really help us out. Take care.